Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Filthy Chris back with another video, baby, on the Filthy Kicks channel. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. If you guys haven't already subscribed, hit that subscribe button, turn on the post notification, leave a like down below for this video. With today's video, I got my shoes, baby. Let's go. They finally out here delivering the breads. So here they are. You know we about to make this bread. So nah, I'm just kidding. I honestly don't know if I want to flip these or if I want to keep. I'm still stuck between whether I want to keep some of these sneakers that I'm getting or if I want to sell them right away. I gotta be careful with my address right there. Let me grab this box opener right here. But yeah, I'm undecisive if I want to keep these or if I want to sell them. I'm gonna keep this shipping label towards me, so that way you guys. I gotta be careful because I don't want to scratch the box either. Alright guys, so if you guys don't already know by now, I had ordered actually the top 3s and the breads, the 11s, they dropped. And my top 3s actually got lost at the warehouse and at the Nike warehouse, so we're not getting those. And then I called them and then they told me, yo, so there's an issue, we lost your shoes. And they're like, there's really nothing we could do about it. We can give you a refund and then just try to look for your shoes. And I'm like, bro, like really? I like waited a whole month for those shoes to drop, and what do you know, they're gone like that. Oh, this box is nice. Box is nice. Box is nice. Nike has some nice tape on their boxes. I like that. They have that nice tape, bro. Look at this box. Holy sh. Oh, the smell, boys. The smell. We got the breads right here, as you guys could tell. We already know what size we got. 10.5. You know the vibes. 10.5, sweet spot right there. 10.5, 10s, 11s, 9.5s, 9s. Right there is the sweet lucky number. That's the juice right there. If you're trying to make some money, that's the juice right there. All right. Before I open them, let me let you guys get a good angle of this, bro, of this unboxing. You know, I was about to open them without you guys having a good angle, but let me set this up real quick. All right. So here we got the breads, 11s, not the OGs, the re-releases, but I wish we got the OGs. I can honestly buy the OGs, but here's the Jordan box right here. I'm gonna leave this lid right here actually, if I could fit it here. Alright, so we got the lid right there. Oh my god, I'm excited, bro. I'm excited. Alright. Oh, let's hope I didn't get a scuffed pair, bro, because if I did, I'm gonna be a little upset, bro. Sometimes you get the scuffed pair out of the warehouse and it's like, wow. Oh, this paper is pretty nice. It's like a black, it's not nice, it's like a trash bag, bro. What is this? Are they trying to say this shoe's trash? Yo, look at this. Oh my god, dude. Like, oh shoot, look at this shoe, bro. Oh my god, look at the bottom is like so like it's new, bro. Like straight out the box new. Like nobody touched these type new, bro. I'm sure other people touched them, but dude, they're new. Look at this. They feel so new. Look. Oh my god, like I'm for sure not wearing these at all, dude. Look, like I'm gonna. Oh, I almost dropped them. I almost lost them there, boys. I almost lost them. All right, as you guys can see, brand new dead stock unboxing right here of the bread 11. Dude, this freaking colorway, bro. They always kill it with this colorway. Colorwave goes crazy, as you guys can tell. Brand new. You guys saw me open the packaging itself. Wow. Let me see the other shoe. That's the left shoe. This is the right one right here. Oh my god, bro. Look. Oh, jeez. It's not a scuff pair, is it? No. Wow, bro. Like, honestly, like, I want to keep these. Oh, wow, bro. Look at them. they're so nice. Let's pull them out of the box so you can actually look at them correctly. Put them on my lap real quick. It's like a trash bag material type paper. That's crazy, bro. I'm gonna need to for sure take pictures of these bad boys and put it on the Filthy Kicks Instagram. If you guys haven't already went to go follow the Instagram, feel free to go follow the Instagram. Quick little promo for our Filthy Kicks Instagram. Bro, wow. Oh, let me show you guys the Barons right next to these. Let me show you guys the Barons. I have Baron 11s. Some people don't know what Baron 11s are. They're a little dusty, a little dirty. I have to clean these up. I'm not gonna lie. There's a lot of my sneakers that I need to clean up. Wow. Holy shoot, bro. They're so dirty. Look at this. Look at this. Oh, wow, bro. I did not wear these. The last person that wore these was my sister, and they're still in good condition, though. The shoe overall is in good condition. Just needs to be cleaned up. Oh, wow. I can actually sell these. Yeah, for sure could sell these. Look at this. Dirty, though. I need to for sure scrape and clean the hell out of those. But yeah, those are them right by the dead stock Breds. Well, they're both 11, so they look a little similar. Just the colorway is different. So for sure we're cleaning those. That's gonna be a shoe that we're saving for a cleaning video. Remember, we're testing out. We have a new series on the channel. Let me show you guys my face. We have a new series on the channel, right? I still want you guys to be able to see these. So we have a new series on the channel, right? Here, let me like get down so you guys can still see the shoes while I'm talking. So you guys can analyze these goats right here, these baby goats. Alright, so as you guys know, I did come up with a new series. I'm actually uploading that video right now. But yeah, this is the unboxing of the Bred 11s. So I have a friend, guys, and he has 3 pairs of these. He has the 2008, the 2012s, and then he's getting the 2020, the 2021s, which are these right here. So if he hasn't got them already, he might be willing to buy these. So I might just list them and then be like, yo, bro, I got them. If he didn't get them, when I see him, the next time that I see him, I'm gonna ask him and be like, yo, bro, did you get them? If he says no, then I'm gonna be like, yo, you trying to buy them or what? I got them, bro. And then if he says yes, then I'll show you guys his collection. He has, well, he says he has them. I don't know. Like, he told me he has both of those and he wants the third one for sure. But I'm not sure if I want to keep these. Like, I want to have the collection, but at the same time, I don't want to have the collection because, like, I just know I'm gonna be tempted to like wear them. But then at the same time, I want to have like a nice wall set up, you know, a bunch of sneakers and a bunch of like nice looking ones. But I feel like later on down the road, I can get a pair of these for like way cheaper. Alright guys, so this is the review of the Baron 11s. I honestly think it's a nice shoe. Very nice. I would wear them, guys, but I want to keep them dead stock. I would throw them on. You guys know me. Strictly on the dead stock vibes lately. I bought in some used shoes. We're currently trying to flip those shoes, the Royal Toes. I've only had them for like 2 or 3 days so far, so I haven't been sitting on them for too long. I already cleaned them up, made a video on them. For sure, they served their purpose for me, which was I just wanted to buy them for a low price, make a video on them, take pictures of them, and then sell them, and then upload the videos and take the pictures and upload them too, and we'll be solid. That's all I wanted those shoes for. And so far, I've made the video. The video's done right now. Video just got done getting exported. We're about to upload it actually, and it should be up any minute. But this is just a quick unboxing. I hope you guys did enjoy this quick unboxing. If you guys are new, feel free to subscribe, leave a like down below if you guys like this colorway. If you guys are big fans of the Bred colorway, I'm planning on doing a giveaway on my Instagram. That's what I want to do. I want to get back to you guys already. Like, even though my Instagram is small, I want to do a giveaway on my Instagram. So those of you guys that watch up to this part of the video, just know that I'm going to be uploading a giveaway on my Instagram soon before the end of this month. So July, before the end of July, I'm gonna have a giveaway for you guys going, and I'm gonna try to finish the giveaway before August. So just keep that in mind. So anytime from here to there, I'm gonna try planning a giveaway, how I'm gonna run the entries and all that, and then we're gonna get those shoes out to you guys. So yeah, just stay tuned. Make sure you turn on the post notifications on the YouTube channel and on the Instagram, and you'll be notified when giveaways and updates like that come out. So just stay tuned, boys.